CNH Class 5 axle. It's for your high horsepower Magnums and T8s. This is a core exchange that just come back in. I'm going to show you what goes bad with them that we see. So what I'm told from our some of our dealers that we work with, and also what I've read in e-time or knowledge articles, is that there was issues with the seals here, and those seals will blow out because it's a hydraulic differential lock. So I'm going to assume, because I'm not a mechanic, that when your diff lock's on in your front, that you're pushing fluid to it. And so when that seal blows out, basically here's your in and here's your out. So when that seal blows out, it just pushes all your oil out, burns up your differential. I could be wrong, but. So what we'll do here is we'll skin her down, repair what needs to be repaired, put it back together, have us a rebuilt axle. If that's something you're qualified to do. We do have some CNH axles that we're actively looking for a shop or individual to do. If you're an individual, the biggest thing lately has been shipping. You've got to have a way to be able to unload and load, which typically doesn't mean dragging it off with a front end loader or a skid steer. We can do a hold at the dock, but something that makes a lot of sense lately we've been working with, some of the shops or individuals we've been working with, is just find somebody you can pay a dock fee to. I mean, $100 for something you're going to make $2,500 on is not a bad deal. You're not really inconveniencing them if they're receiving and shipping freight every day. But just don't take advantage, you know. Offer them something. It's been working out so far.